We'll guide you through how to change aspect ratio in Davinci Resolve. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
This is really important if you are creating content for different platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, since each one uses a different video format. So, to get started, just open your DaVinci Resolve, and after DaVinci is open, you can just open your pre-existing project, or you can just create a new one just by just clicking on new project. I'll just open a pre-existing one, and once that it is opened, make sure to go to the edit tab at the bottom. And after you are in the edit tab, make sure media pool is visible. You can just click on media pool to make it visible like so, and you will see your timeline here. You can just right click on it and click on timelines. Click on timeline settings. This is where we will change the aspect ratio. Once the setting window opens, the first thing that you need to do is uncheck the option that says use project settings. By default, it might be checked like this and you won't be able to configure the settings, so make sure to uncheck it. After unchecking, you will now be able to edit the resolutions. Now, you will see your timeline resolution. So basically, this is where you will change the resolution. Just click on the drop down and choose the options to your liking. Let's say if I want my clip to be square, I'll just choose square and click on OK. And our video and our clip will be successfully changed into square. Now, if you want to change it, just right click on your timeline, go to timeline, timeline settings, and from here, just click on the drop down and select the option that best fits your needs. Let's say I just want to go with this particular size. I'll just click on it and it will be changed successfully. Let's say I want to make it vertical. I'll just go to timeline settings once again, and from here, just toggle on vertical resolution and click on OK. And it will be successfully changed into a vertical resolution. Or you can also create a custom one. Just go to timeline settings and just click on the drop down, and in the up you will see a custom option. Just click on it and you can choose your resolution. You can choose resolutions like 3840 by 2160, which is 4K. Just click on OK and it will be changed. And that's it. That's how you change the aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve.